Hi, I'm Mark Zalesnik, CEO of Dataforma, presenting you our new homepage. This is a first of many fantastic upgrades to our core system that is designed to make your work easier and your work experience much more pleasant. So let's dive into it. The point of this homepage is to give you powerful tools to customize your workflow and tailor it to your needs, primarily through a new dashboard, which you see here right front and center. Some things are the same, some things are different, but I think overall you're going to find that it's very intuitive and easy to use. We've replaced our icons to make room for our dashboard with a menu on the left, but some are in butterfly menus for compactness. We've got a new CRM item that has your company's contacts and buildings. We have a service item that is preparing for changes to come, which includes not only work orders, but a new maintenance contract module to help you manage your preventative maintenance programs. Other items such as account receivables, warranties, correspondence, of course, all here. We have a calendar, which opens up to every calendar that we provide to you. Across the top, we have the Dataforma logo. That logo will take you to your homepage. We have a pull down, which gives you information about your database. This is important for our customer reps when you call in about a problem. We have a go-to. You're used to this, except one thing I want to point out. If you click on Service Administration, we've actually upgraded that page too with this upgrade. Much more attractive. I'll let you explore that on your own. We have a quick create, same as before, and a quick find search. However, it's much upgraded with a search that, here I'll show you an example. Type in York Hospital, and you will get results across all modules. If you want to down select, click the module you want to down select to. I'm going to click on buildings and boom, there you go. But hey, why not look at some projects? Here we go, York Hospital. We have a old homepage button for those of you who are having massive anxiety about change, but just keep in mind it's not going to be there forever. But we have a new lead button. This takes you to your generate a new lead. It's still going to the old functionality, but stay tuned, that's going to change to a much more friendly, easier to use UI interface coming soon. To the right of new lead, we have a different lineup here. We have a messaging system, which is currently disabled, coming soon, but to let you know that it's on its way this fall. It will allow you to communicate in a messenger system-like way that you might be familiar with social media or other messaging corporate systems that you have, where you can message other Dataforma users, send them tasks, send them notes, whatever you want to do so you can communicate among your staff. We have another item here coming soon. It's our Dataforma alerts. We've reserved this space so that when you get alerts through a text message or an email, it'll also appear here so that you can go back in time and see all your alerts just like you're familiar with in like a social media type context that you may be familiar with. We have a calendar, which is available now. You click on it, and once again, you can get to all the calendars that you're used to using. We have now a new exciting feature, the Dataforma announcements bullhorn. This is how we're going to communicate with you, just as I am now. And if you're sick of listening to me, you can close me out and come back later to that announcements and look. You have every announcement that was ever sent to you, so you can watch it again when you have time, because we know you all are very busy trying to get your jobs done, and the last thing you need is for us to interrupt your workflow. To the right of that is all your help items. It's the same as it was before, just in a different icon. And then finally, we have your user area, starts with your initials. You can click on that, see your username, adjust your user settings. You can join a meeting, or you can log out. Let's get to the main thrust of this new homepage, which is our dashboard. We moved everything to the outside so that we could put this dashboard here for you to customize your workflow. Out of the box, we've given you a home panel. We've given you a sales panel. We've given you a production panel, a service panel, and a financial panel. Each panel can customize the widgets that you want to see that show you the data that fits your workflow. And you might ask, what's a widget? A widget is exactly one of these items you see here. They're a report or a software object that you can interact with to get information. We have a library of widgets that will continue to grow out of the box. If you click on Add Widget, you can see all of the widgets that we provide now. We have under All Widgets, you can then down select to General, Sales, our production widgets, our service widgets, and financial widgets. Expect these to grow, and if you come to our design summit, we will be taking suggestions for more widgets that you want to see on this dashboard. One thing to keep in mind, there are widgets here that are currently not available, even though they're listed. It's more of an advertisement to let you know that they're coming. Some of the most exciting one, it's under All, would be the AI widget. The AI widget is going to be allow you to build your own, if you think about it, when it comes out, and you can ask it questions. You could design your own little custom dashboard output for the needs that you want and save it. So look for that in the fall as well. With that said, if you look at the widget, you can add a widget, you can resize widgets, you can move them around, you can change the settings for each widget based on how each widget is programmed. I'm going to leave it to you to enjoy and explore this new homepage. Keep in mind, this is just the beginning of big changes to come. The next big change that you can expect to see, under a service title, it will have work orders and our new maintenance contracts. So you can not only handle your work order service calls, but also can manage them under your maintenance contracts, so it's not so overwhelming. If you have any questions, please call your account rep. They're here to help. They can answer any questions that you have. Good luck. Let's get to work. We'll be in touch. Bye-bye.